Today I will show how to buy shares of Blue Gold Ltd, a company operating in industrial water treatment and desalination. Blue Gold Ltd is listed on NASDAQ with the ticker BGL, and this short guide is for educational purposes only. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BGL to find Blue Gold Ltd quickly. Make sure you select the listing listed on NASDAQ to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for BGL. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure you are viewing the correct listing. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may become a market or limit order that executes when trading resumes, and platforms will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed or pending. For convenience, find the registration link in the description below.